How to log into Home Depot credit card online account. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about logging into your Home Depot credit card online account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch any of the web browser and type in Home Depot login in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will come across various websites. In order to log in, click on Home Depot credit card login or apply. And as soon as you click on it, you will be taken to the official website of Home Depot, where you have to first enter the user ID and then followed by the password. And if you'd like this Google Chrome web browser or the system to remember your credentials for the future login, simply check this box of remember my user ID. But if you're using a public or shared computer, do not check this box for security reasons. And in the case if you have forgotten your user ID and the password, simply go ahead and click on Retrieve User ID or Reset Password option in order to successfully recover your account. And if you haven't registered your card yet, simply go ahead and click on this link of Register Your Card. After you have entered the user ID and the password correctly, now click on the Sign On option highlighted in orange color in order to successfully log into Home Depot credit card online account. So this was all about it. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.